What is microeconomics? Microeconomics is a branch of economics that studies how individual people, households, and businesses make decisions about using limited resources. In simple words, microeconomics studies small parts of the economy, such as buyers, sellers, and individual markets. Microeconomics focuses on how people decide what to buy and how companies decide what to produce and sell. It explains how prices are determined through demand and supply. When demand for a product increases and supply remains limited, prices usually rise. When supply increases and demand decreases, prices usually fall. Microeconomics helps us understand everyday economic decisions. For example, why a customer chooses one product instead of another, or how a shop owner decides the price of goods. It also studies production costs, competition between companies, and consumer behavior. There are several important concepts in microeconomics. Demand refers to how much of a product people want to buy. Supply refers to how much producers are willing to sell. Market equilibrium happens when demand and supply become equal and prices stabilize. Microeconomics also studies different market structures, such as perfect competition, monopoly, and oligopoly. Businesses use microeconomic principles to maximize profit and reduce costs. Governments also use microeconomics to create policies related to taxation, subsidies, and price control. Here are some example situations explained by microeconomics. Why petrol prices affect transportation costs. How discounts influence customer buying behavior. Why competition lowers product prices. Microeconomics mainly deals with individual economic units rather than the entire economy. In simple terms, microeconomics studies how individuals and businesses make economic decisions. Easy way to remember. Microeconomics means studying the economy at a smaller individual level.